Today we will start the lesson with the basic code of JavaScript. Let's start now. Open Sublime Text Editor, doc type HTML, and after HTML meta char set and for English language meta language meta char set UTF-8 and after meta language and close head tag, after open body tag, script tag open for JavaScript code, and then close subscript, close body tag, after close HTML tag. Yes, now for example, JavaScript in body h2, JavaScript in body, open h2 tag, h2 JavaScript in body, close h2, then after open p paragraph tag, PID, for example demo, a paragraph, and close p tag, button type only button on click. Now we will read JavaScript code. My function try it button, try it, close button tag. Yes. Okay, after script code, now between script tag, function my function open paragraph, document get element by ID, document date get element by ID, this demo, and after inner HTML paragraph changed, Okay, now Control S, this JavaScript code, for example Java lesson HTML, save desktop, this code,